Well, greetings, everyone. It's me and Dax again. So I did just want to make, I guess, a brief announcement on the peer reviews. So, yeah, this is a bit of a learning experience for me. We're using Canvas, and I think, those were actually due in week 4. And I think what I'll do moving forward, I did not set up a discussion board specifically for anyone. And so, which is, you guys were just awesome because you just kind of spontaneously, posted them in the discussion board that we had open. But I think moving forward, what I'm going to do is to, somebody just woke up from a nap. I think moving forward, what I'll do is I'll create like a separate discussion board for 2 groups of students. So I have taken a random number generator and formed 2 groups for you guys. So Yesenia, Kevin, Taylor, and Tanya are in group, well, I'm not going to call it group A, but one group. I'll give you guys a name. And then Kenyatta, Jacqueline, Joan, and Tiffany are in the other group. So, so I think I'll post a discussion board, and I can actually separate groups, but I'd actually like to keep it so that everybody has access to the group. So just please post your group. I'll try to make it clear as to what who's doing, where you should be posting. I'll try to make that clear. If it's not, please let me know. And then the other thing, I wanted to say about that was, so not everybody provided feedback, and I think maybe also because of the confusion as to where to post. So I think what I'm going to do, so I'm taking we just covered attribution, so I'll go ahead and make that a personal attribution, that was my fault, that the way that was structured could have been done a little bit differently instead of, anyways. So I think, but some of you guys did provide feedback. So I think what I'm going to do is just call it a wash. And we have 3 more opportunities to provide peer feedback. And I think I'm just going to weight all those 10 points instead of 7.5. But if you did actually provide feedback, this past time, which was only a few of you, I think I saw evidence that there was like 3 of you, you got extra credit. So that's how I'm going to handle that. So I will post the group members and stuff in an announcement on Canvas shortly. Have a great week.